Oh my gosh, I have to gush about Giftseph.com because it has genuinely become one of my happiest daily rituals and honestly changed how I experience beauty shopping forever. Picture this, it's a rainy evening in Aurangabad, I'm curled up with chai, scrolling through what I thought was just another reward site, and suddenly I'm inside this beautifully designed world that feels like stepping into a Sephora store but way more personal and exciting. The homepage alone is so inviting. Soft, elegant colors, crystal clear photos of dreamy skincare bottles, glowing makeup palettes, and those little animated sparkles when you hover over a product make me smile every single time. Navigating is effortless. There's no clutter, no pop-ups trying to trick you, just pure smooth flow from the beauty tester program sign-up to the reward dashboard. Joining the program felt like I was being invited to an exclusive club. Super quick registration, a friendly welcome message, and right away you get these cute little starter tasks that actually feel fun instead of boring busywork. We're talking things like, which finish do you love most on your cheeks? Dewy, matte, or satin? Or, pick your dream scent family for winter, and each one takes maybe 30 to 60 seconds max. Before I knew it, I was watching my points climb and getting those satisfying, you're closer to your next reward notifications that make me check the site way more than I should admit. And the rewards? They're not some cheap knockoff samples you toss after one use. I've unboxed full-size travel minis of cult-favorite hyaluronic acid serums that left my skin so plump and happy, a gorgeous peachy blush that photographs like a filter in real life, a set of buildable lip tints I now wear daily, even a luxurious sheet mask duo that smelled like a fancy spa. Every package arrives so neatly wrapped, bubble wrap, branded sticker, sometimes a tiny thank you card or bonus mini lotion, which makes opening them feel like a proper event I look forward to all week. What I love most is the trust factor. The site is upfront about exactly how many points each task gives, how many you need for each tier of reward, estimated shipping time, usually 7 to 12 days to Maharashtra, which has been spot on, and there's never any surprise, sorry, out of stock nonsense after you've earned something. The progress bar is addictive too. Watching it fill up feels like leveling up in a game, but instead of virtual coins you get actual luxury beauty products landing at your doorstep. I've already recommended it to my cousin in Pune, my bestie who's obsessed with Korean skincare, and even my mom who's starting to get into anti-aging stuff, and they're all hooked now too. For someone like me who loves discovering new brands, testing textures and shades without committing to full-price purchases, and just enjoying the little joys of self-care, Giftseph.com has been an absolute blessing. It's affordable luxury, it's empowering, it's exciting, and it makes ordinary days feel a bit more glamorous. If you're even slightly into beauty, pampering, or just collecting cute product minis to play around with, do yourself a favor and dive in. You'll thank yourself with every gorgeous delivery that shows up. I'm already planning what look I'll create once my next reward lands, and I can't stop smiling about it. Truly 11 out of 10, my new favorite obsession.